Hey everyone, Alex here with Carter Products. Now today I want to talk to you about greenwood blades. Now greenwood blades were designed for log cutters, bowl blank turners, things like that, where you use a lot of green wood. The reason that they made the tooth 32 thousandths thick instead of 25 thousandths thick is so that you got a little bit wider a curve so you could make a little bit shorter a turn and that wood didn't collapse back up onto that blade. What they got was a blade that would cut green or dry wood, and it would last longer than any other blade because the tooth being thicker stays set longer. But you still have that great Carter material. You still have that long-lasting material. You also have that perfect 3/1000 inch set tooth and that guarantee from Carter that it'll never break on the weld. And don't forget, they always tooth match every blade they make. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for news, tips, and product update. Follow the link in the description to explore all the great tools that Carter Products has to offer.